Imagine stumbling upon a side hustle so overlooked that most people don't even know it exists, yet it's generating millions for those in the know. This isn't your typical list of gig economy jobs or cliché advice like flipping items on eBay. What I'm about to share is a strategy flying under the radar, and if you act now, you could carve out your slice of this untapped gold mine. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and insights needed to dive headfirst into this opportunity and start building a real income stream. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's the easiest way to ensure you never miss out on life-changing strategies like this. When you think of side hustles, certain ideas immediately come to mind. Freelancing, food delivery, or selling on Amazon. Those are fine, but they're saturated. What makes this hustle different is its combination of low competition and high demand. It exists in a niche market, yet the opportunities are practically endless because most people don't recognize the value it provides. Here's a quick hint. This side hustle revolves around leveraging specialized knowledge or skills that businesses and individuals desperately need but don't know how to find easily. The result? High demand and clients willing to pay premium prices. The first step is understanding the core of this hustle. It's all about content repurposing for businesses and influencers. Let me break that down. In today's world, content is king. Brands, influencers, and even small businesses need constant streams of fresh content to stay visible. However, creating content from scratch every day is exhausting and expensive. That's where you step in. What's your role? Take existing content, like a podcast episode, YouTube video, or even a blog post, and turn it into multiple, bite-sized pieces for different platforms. For example, transform a single podcast into Instagram Reels, tweets, carousel posts, and TikTok clips. This strategy saves your clients time while keeping them active across multiple platforms, which boosts their engagement and reach. You don't need a massive budget or fancy tools to begin. A free video editing app, Canva for graphics, and basic social media knowledge are enough to start. With an investment as small as $50 or $100, you can upgrade to tools like Adobe Premiere Rush or premium Canva features to streamline your work. Start by offering your services to smaller creators or local businesses. They might not have the resources to hire full-time help, but they're eager to grow their online presence. With even a few success stories, you'll build a portfolio that allows you to approach higher-paying clients. This part is critical. Knowing where to look for clients can make or break your hustle. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, and Twitter are gold mines for finding content creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs who already have content but lack the bandwidth to repurpose it. For instance, search for hashtags like content creator or small business owner on Instagram, and you'll uncover people actively seeking support. Reach out with a tailored pitch that highlights how you can help them expand their reach without adding to their workload. Here's the key: be specific. Instead of saying, "I can repurpose your content," say something like, "I noticed your podcast episodes are full of valuable tips. I can help turn each episode into 5 Instagram Reels, 3 tweets, and a short TikTok clip to grow your audience." Here's the game changer. Most clients are willing to pay recurring fees for this service. Why? Because content creation never stops. Once you lock in a few steady clients, your income becomes predictable and scalable. Coming up, I'll show you how to charge premium rates while working fewer hours. Stay tuned. This next part is where the real money comes in. Once you've landed your first clients, the goal is to maximize efficiency. Instead of creating everything manually, build a system. Use templates for common tasks like video editing, graphics, or captions. Automation tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can schedule posts across platforms, saving you hours every week. If your workload grows too large, consider outsourcing some tasks. Hiring a virtual assistant for repetitive work lets you focus on higher value activities like pitching new clients or refining your processes. This step is crucial for turning your hustle into a sustainable, scalable operation. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's talk numbers. Don't undersell yourself. The value you bring isn't just in creating content, it's in saving your clients time and amplifying their online presence. Start with packages. For instance, you could charge $500 per month to handle weekly content for a small business, scaling up to $2,000 or more for larger clients with more demanding needs. Remember, businesses understand the ROI of good content. When they see your work bringing in more engagement, leads, or sales, they'll happily pay a premium to keep you around. So, why isn't everyone doing this? The answer is simple. People underestimate the value of behind-the-scenes roles. They think success only comes from being in the spotlight. But supporting those who are already in the spotlight, that's where the real, consistent money is. It's also a skill most people think they don't have. But in reality, with basic tools and the willingness to learn, anyone can master content repurposing. The demand is there, it's just waiting for you to tap into it. Let's bring it all together. This side hustle isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter by filling a gap most people don't notice. By focusing on repurposing content, you're solving a real problem that businesses and creators face daily. Here's what you do next. Start small. Offer your services, build your portfolio, and reinvest in tools or outsourcing to scale. With consistency and a clear strategy, you'll unlock an income stream that grows predictably over time. So, what do you think? Would you try this overlooked hustle? Let me know in the comments. And if this video sparked any ideas, hit subscribe and join the journey to discovering more untapped opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.